Yep, it's this one. Good to see it with the ammo graph. Idol. 762 545 and 762. Yep. BP PP. PPBS Igornik, BS, BT. BP, PP. PP right below BP. PP right below BP. It's like the same pattern. A lot of difference in the value, obviously, but set it in backwards. BT is pretty good. BT is pretty good. Igornik, BS, BT. But to be honest, flash damage is like so small on this thing though. It's still one taps the head. It's still one taps the head. So like, I don't know. I don't really like PPBS that much. Because the flash damage is so small. I think BS is the best. Igorning, it might be too much focus on the penetration. I never use PP, not even early wipe, really. My AP. The caliber 7, just use 762 caliber, guys. 545, you can see like it's inferior to 762. You can just see it right away. 762 caliber is too good. But 762 54 caliber is super rare. Look at that. That's why everybody's angry at ABT. It's so fucking overpowered. 7 and 40? Oh yeah, where's 7 and 40 actually? It's gone. Huh? My friend with 12 million? 545 West recoil? Yeah, you're right on that. But like, I mean, ABT doesn't have that much recoil too. I don't know. I mean, it does, but like, compared to the damage and the penetration it has, well, Lapua is crazy level, obviously. Holy shit, Lapua is like double the difference of the 762 caliber to 545 caliber. Holy moly. Multi-weapons above the limits. What's other? Buckshot grenade. 762 7 and 40 is like BP. It's left above PP. Oh, it's here. Okay, I see it here. 7 and 40 is actually the best then, actually. If you see it like that. Wait. Haha! No. Idol. 7 and 40 is well balanced the best. It has good penetration above 4 class armor and then 50 fucking 2 damage. That's crazy. It has no recoil? The recoil is minus 20. What? Wait. This is too super rare then. This is the best ammo. Igornik is nothing. Minus 40, minus 20 recoil, damage 52, penetration 44. Okay, this is crazy then. This is the best. It's by far the best, yeah. No wonder I couldn't find it. Like, everything normal is here, and then like out of ordinary is this one. But you can only find it in the raid. And also, on this wipe, you find it a lot though. 7 and 40 always was the best. Yeah, I kind of forgot about the existence because I don't find it that much. What are you grinding? My attention skill on my scab. PPBS is only armor. I've never seen minus 20 recoil. Is there less recoil? Oh yeah, US ammo on... US ammos usually have like really low recoil. I forgot about that. US recoil minus 25, US recoil minus 30 recoil. Okay. So someone was talking about I should use like a 545, 7 and 40 thermal sag short. And I now understand it because that's amazing. You're grinding scab? Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. I like that.